As per Cognitive Market Research's latest published report, the global HVAC maintenance service market size was $68.2 billion in 2022. HVAC maintenance service industry's compound annual growth rate will be 6.5% from 2023 to 2030. Market drivers. Rising construction sector is boosting the market expansion. Market restraint. High maintenance cost of HVAC systems to limit market growth. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting Sample Page's latest published market research copy.